We test every sand delivery for purity, and it's glass-grade silica needs to be at least 9% pure silicon dioxide.
The batch formula is locked in digitally. Silica sand, soda ash, limestone, and recycled cullet are weighed to the gram before every single melt.
We pull a sample from every mixed batch, and the color and texture of the dry mix tells us immediately if the ratios are correct before it goes anywhere near the furnace.
The furnace runs at 1700 degrees Celsius around the clock, Dode. It never shuts down. Stopping and restarting a furnace this size takes weeks and costs millions.
Forming temperature needs to be exactly right. Too hot and the glass won't hold its shape. Too cool and it won't flow properly into the molds.
The layer slowly brings the glass from 580 degrees down to room temperature over about 4 to 5 minutes. If it cools too fast,
Right out of the lure, we do a first visual check, and we're looking at clarity, any bubbles or cords in the glass, and whether the shape came out true to spec.
The
The machine scans for wall thickness, bubbles, cracks, surface defects, and dimensional accuracy teareds, all in under a second per glass.
Every hour, we pull samples for manual measurement. Rim diameter has to be within 0.5 millimeter of spec, wall thickness within 1/4 millimeter.
Before we seal each case, we do a final count and visual check. Every glass needs to be correctly seated in its cell, otherwise they can shift and break in transit.
We pull random master cartons from every production hour for a full audit, checking count, label direction, and seal integrity before the pallet is built.
Once a pallet clears our warehouse quality hold period, the shipment order is released in our system and it goes straight to the loading dock for dispatch. Once a pallet clears our warehouse quality hold period, the shipment order is released in our system and it goes straight to the loading dock for dispatch.
Glass shipments need extra care in securing. We use padded load bars between pallets and floor-to-ceiling straps to prevent any shifting on the road.